how to make money off Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can make money off of Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to make money off Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you need to monetize your Instagram account. So if you're eligible for monetization, to check that you can come to the profile page here. Once you come to the profile page, just tap the three lines option from the top right of the screen, and from here you'll find an option that says creator tools and controls or business tools and controls, depending upon whether you have a creator or business account. So once you select that option, over here you'll find the option called monetization status. Now if you go to monetization status and it says you're able to monetize, which means you can make money from Instagram. This means that whenever you post a reel or something like that, it is going to show an option that will allow you to send gift to that person. So if you select a certain reel over here and actually monetize, this person's profile is monetized because I can send a gift, and when I send them a gift they will be able to make money in that way. Similarly, as a creator, when you post a reel, people will be able to send you a gift and monetize your channel. This way you will be able to go ahead and then monetize and make money off Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.